Number 1, which statement is not true about the elements of the set of rational numbers? A, all integers are elements of the set. B, elements of the set include repeating and terminating decimals. C, all elements of the set can be written as a ratio A divided by B, where B is not equal to 0. D, the numbers pi and the square root of 3 are elements of the set. Number 2, the graph shows a relationship between the time and the distance a cyclist travels. Distance in miles, time in hours. Which of the following best describes the slope of the line? F, the cyclist travels at a speed of 1.5 miles per hour. G, the cyclist travels at a speed of 15 miles per hour. H, the cyclist travels at a speed of 8 miles per hour. J, the cyclist travels at a speed of 20 miles per hour. Number 3, which model does not represent a solution of x equals 4? Number 4, look at the set of ordered pairs. -8, 3. -6, 2. -4, 1. -2, 0. Which of the following shows the correct equation represented by the ordered pairs? F, y equals -0.5x minus 1. G, y equals -2x minus 1. H, y equals -1/4 x plus 1. J, y equals -2x minus 1. Number 5, look at the table. X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y, 75 cents, $1.50, $2.25, $3, $3.75. Which of the following represents the same relationship between X and Y? 1, the graph. 2, Y equals 4/3 X. 3, the Karate Club earns 0.75 cents for every candy bar sold during a fundraiser. A, 1 only. B, 2 and 3 only. C, 1 and 3 only. D, 1, 2, and 3. Number 6, Roger and Novak have a hot dog eating contest. After the first 2 minutes, Roger has consumed 8 hot dogs and Novak has consumed only 7 hot dogs. From that point, Roger eats 3 hot dogs each minute, while Novak eats 4 hot dogs per minute. After how many minutes, M, will Novak have eaten more hot dogs than Roger? F, 3 plus 8M is greater than 4 plus 7M. G, 3 plus 8M is less than 4 plus 7M. H plus 3M is greater than 7 plus 4M. J, H plus 3M is less than 7 plus 4M. Seven, which set of ordered pairs represents y as a function of x? A, -9, 2, 0, 6, 1, -2, -3, 6. B, -1, 0, 4, 3, -7, -3, -1, -8. C, 3, 2, -4, -2, 3, 1, -4, 1. D, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4. The longest side of the right triangle measures a square root of 17 inches. Which point on the number line most closely represents the value of the square root of 17? W, X, Y, Z. F, point W. G, point X. H, point Y. J, point Z. Number 9, Lisa covered the outside of a gift box shaped like a rectangular prism with the paper. The box is 3.2 feet long, 2.1 feet wide, and 2.7 feet high. Which of the following is closest to the total surface area of this box? A, 34 feet, B, 42 feet, C, 30 feet, D, 18 feet. Ten. 7 times a number is equal to 5 times the same number plus 50. Which equation can be written to show this relationship? F, 7x equals 5, parentheses, x plus 50. G, 7x equals 5x plus 50. H, 7x equals 5 times 7x plus 50. J, 7x equals 5 plus 50. 11. The amount Ricky charges for his own lawn service varies directly with the number of hours it takes to complete the job. If Ricky charges $112.50 for a 3-hour job, how much money will he charge for a job that takes 5 hours? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid. Be sure to use the correct place. Number 12, graph the equation y equals negative. Number 12, graph the equation y equals 2x minus 5 and y equals negative x plus 1 on the coordinate plane. Use the graph of y equals 2x minus 5 and y equals negative x plus 1 to determine the solution. F, negative 1 over 2. G, 2, negative 1. H, no solution. J, infinitely many solutions. Number 13, which list shows numbers ordered in ascending order? A, negative 3.28, negative 3.47, 8.25, 14.38. B, the square root of 9, 17 over 2, 8 and 3/8, 21%. C, 8 and 3/4, the square root of 50, 33 and 1/3%, 40.5. D, negative 4.82, 1/2, the square root of 21, 18. Look at the graph. The slope of CA is negative 3 over 2. Which of the following is true about the slope of XZ? F, the slope of XZ is the negative reciprocal of the slope of CA because the triangles are flipped. G, the slope of XZ is 1/2 the slope of CA because the ratio of corresponding sides between the triangles is 1/2. H, the slope of XZ is the same as slope of CA because the ratios of the corresponding sides of the triangles are equivalent. J, there's no relationship between the slope of XZ and the slope of CA. 15. Jason made a wooden cone with a diameter of 3.8 inches and a height of 15 inches. Which of the following is closest to the volume of the cone? A, 56.71 inches. B, 680.47 inches. C, 170.12 inches. D, 226 inches, 0.82. Number 16, the ball shaped like a sphere has a radius of approximately 2 inches. Which of the following is closest to the volume of the ball? F, 33 inches. G, 11 inches. H, 25 inches. J, 17 inches. 17, the table shows a relationship between x and y. X, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. Y, negative 2, negative 5, negative 3, negative 1. Which of the following is true about the relationship in the table? A, the table shows a non-proportional relationship because the y-intercept is 1. B, the table shows a proportional relationship because the relationship goes through the origin. C, the table shows a non-proportional relationship because the table would contain the order pair, 0, 3. D, the table shows a proportional relationship because the relationship can be represented by the equation y equals 2x. 18, Jackson wants to buy a new video game console. He has saved $50 and earns $20 per lawn that he mows. Which of the following equations can be used to determine the number of lawns Jackson needs to mow, M, in order to buy the video game console, which costs C dollars? F, C equals 50M plus 20. G, M, 2/5 C plus 50. H, C equals 20M plus 50. J, M equals 5 over 2 C plus 50. 19. Donna writes the following number using scientific notation: 0.00000025. What number does Donna use as a power of 10? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid below. Be sure to use the correct place value. 20. A hat box in the shape of a cylinder is modeled below. The diameter of the cylinder is 24 inches. The height of the cylinder is 8 inches. The volume of the cylinder can be found using the formula V equals big BH. Which expression can be used to determine big B? The area of the base of this hat box in square inches. F, 24 squared pi. G, 12 squared pi. H, 8 squared times 12. J, 12 squared times 8. Say to use a container shaped like a cylinder to catch rainwater. The dimensions of the container are shown: 12 centimeters, 9 centimeters. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the container in cubic centimeters? A, 1,527 centimeters. B, 4,072 centimeters. C, 1,018 centimeters. D, 3,054 centimeters. Number 22. X, 0, 1, 2, 3. Y, 22, 23.5, 25, 26.5. Which description best represents the data? F, 1 American dollar is equivalent to 23.5 Canadian dollars. G, a baby measures 22 inches long at birth. The baby grows 1.5 inches each month for 3 months. H, Jenny has $22 in her bank account. She spends $1.50 every day. A giant plant at a rate of 3 centimeters per month. (23) Mr. Mobley plans to have a granite countertops installed in his kitchen. Granite Guys charges 75 feet per square foot of granite with an additional $200 service fee. Stoneworks charges $75 per square foot of granite. Which of the following statements is true? A, the pricing of Granite Guys is proportional because it is a more expensive option. B, the pricing of Granite Guys is non-proportional because of the additional service fee. C, the pricing at Stoneworks is non-proportional because the y-intercept is 0. D, the pricing at both stores is proportional because they both charge the same price per foot of granite. 24. One has a birdhouse with rectangular walls, a rectangular bottom, and a rectangular entry, like the one modeled below. He will paint the 4 outside walls, but not the bottom of the roof of the birdhouse. What is the area that Juan will paint? F, 320, G, 160, H, 300, J, 140. Number 25. In the diagram below, measure of angle ABC is 59 degrees and the measure of BCA is 65 degrees. What is the measure of the exterior angle DAB? A, 56 degrees, B, 115 degrees, C, 124 degrees, D, 180 degrees.